Hi, I'm John with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember that anytime you work on an appliance, make sure that it is unplugged or the circuit breaker is turned off so there's no chance of electrocution. We're going to show you how to install a new relay and overload for your Amana refrigerator. It's a really easy job that only requires a 1/4-inch nut driver, a pair of small needle nose pliers, and a few minutes of your time. When you open the package, you'll get one new relay and overload. The reason why you'd be replacing the relay and overload is if the refrigerator won't start, if the refrigerator or freezer sections are too warm, or if you hear a clicking sound during operation. To replace the part, you'll need to access the back side of the refrigerator, which means you may need to pull it away from the wall or disconnect some water lines. The part is located behind this panel at the bottom of the refrigerator. Use a 1/4-inch nut driver to loosen and remove the screws that hold the back panel in place. Remove the mount for the power cord, then remove the back panel. The part is located just to the left of the compressor. First, you'll need to remove the metal retaining clip that holds various electronic components in place. You'll now need to remove these two wires that go to the relay and overload, which is this white item here. Use a pair of pliers to remove them. In our case, the top wire is blue, and the bottom wire is white. Grab a hold of the relay and wiggle it slightly, and it should pull out of the side of the compressor. Afterwards, you can remove it from the refrigerator. You'll need to remove the run capacitor from the old relay. To do so, pull it straight out, it'll come off the shaft, and it'll also unplug the two terminals. Here's the old relay and overload next to the new one. If you already have the new part, great. If not, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Install the old run capacitor onto the new relay. Align the shaft so it goes through here, and then carefully press it into place. Once you've transferred the run capacitor to the new relay, you can now install it. Position it on the side of the compressor, and then you're just going to press it into place. Then you're going to need to reconnect these two wires. In our case, the white wire goes on the bottom, plugs in there, and then the blue wire goes on the top. Afterwards, reinstall the metal retaining clip, and then you can reinstall the back panel. Position the rear panel, then put in place the cord mount. Afterwards, threaden and tighten the retaining screws. So after this back panel is installed, then reconnect the power cord, then the refrigerator should be ready for use. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. And be sure to check out our other repair videos on our website, on our Facebook page, and on our YouTube channel.